There are ample writings acknowledging that there is unlimited energy in the universe, but to say one is able to tap this supply is another matter. If I tell you there is water, good cold water, in a glass on your table, but you cannot drink it for 1,000,000 years, what would you think? You know how to get the water out of a glass. Well, it is as easy to tap this energy now out in space as it will be in 1,000,000 years from now. If it can be done then, it can be done now. For me to go into a technical account of how to harness this energy, would mean the writing of volumes. The whole thing might be said in the few words of Nikola Tesla: throughout space there is energy. Is this energy static or kinetic? If static, our hopes are in vain; if kinetic, and this we know it is for certain, then it is a mere question of time when men will succeed in attaching their machinery to the very wheelwork of nature. This I have been able to do through the use of certain valves and oscillators that I have made and of which doctors of science have said are the most powerful devices known to science today. When an elastic substance is subjected to strain and then set free, one of two things happens. The substance may slowly recover from the strain and gradually attain its natural state, or the elastic recoil may carry it past its position of equilibrium and cause it to execute a series of oscillations. In ordinary language, there may be a continuous flow of energy in one direction until the discharge is completed, or an oscillating discharge may occur. That is, the first flow may be succeeded by a backrush, as if the first discharge had overrun itself and something like a recoil set in. The device thus becomes more or less charged again in the opposite sense, and a second discharge occurs accompanied by a second backrush, the oscillations going on until the energy is either radiated or used up in the heating of the conductors. And if your device will oscillate in harmony with the oscillations of the universe, or in other words, if the device is capable of synchronization with the vibrations of that energy through space, then the oscillations will go on forever. No one can call such an arrangement perpetual motion any more than one can call the motion of the earth perpetual motion. My device oscillates because of the oscillations of the universe caused by the disintegration of matter.